Hey there, welcome back to another video by Chemical Engineering Life. Are you a student or someone who's considering to study chemical engineering but can't make up their mind? In this video, we are going to have a look at the top 5 reasons to study chemical engineering. So do watch the video till the very end and let us know if you agree with us or not. And also do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life for more videos. Let's begin. The reason number 5 is personal and professional growth. Pursuing chemical engineering challenges you to develop a range of valuable skills, including critical thinking, teamwork, and problem solving. These competencies are not only essential for engineering roles, but also are highly valued in a leadership, management, and other professional settings. As you navigate complex problems and deliver impactful solutions, you will experience both personal and professional growth, setting you up for long-term success in any career path that you wish to choose. Another reason is the blend of science and creativity. Chemical engineering seamlessly combines disciplines like chemistry, physics, mathematics, and biology with innovative problem-solving techniques. This unique blend of science and creativity allows engineers to design groundbreaking processes, create new materials, and develop products that improve our daily life. If you enjoy thinking outside the box and applying scientific principles to real-world challenges, chemical engineering offers an exciting platform for innovation. Another main reason to study chemical engineering is the impact on global challenges. Chemical engineers are always at the forefront of addressing critical global issues such as climate change, clean energy, and sustainable resource management. From developing renewable energy solutions to creating biodegradable materials, chemical engineers play a vital role in creating a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future. And hence, by studying chemical engineering, you will be equipped with the knowledge and tools to make a meaningful difference in the world. Another reason is the high earning potential. Chemical engineers consistently rank among the highest paid professionals in the engineering field. The demand for their expertise in optimizing processes, designing efficient systems, and solving industrial challenges ensures strong earning potential. Now, whether you are just starting out or advancing into senior roles, chemical engineering offers excellent salary growth and job security, making it a financially rewarding career choice. And finally, the main reason to choose chemical engineering is the diverse career opportunities that come with it. Chemical engineering provides access to an incredibly wide range of career paths across industries like pharmaceuticals, energy, food production, and environmental technology. As a chemical engineer, you can specialize in areas such as manufacturing, research and development, process design, and even consulting. The skills you gain in chemical engineering are applicable to nearly every industry that involves materials or processes, ensuring you will have the flexibility to find a career that aligns with your interests and goals. So these were the top 5 reasons why you should study chemical engineering. If you agree or disagree, then remember to tell us in the comments below. And do remember to visit our website at www.ChemEnggLife.com, where you can learn more about chemical engineering. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.